Let's get started. First, sign in to your YouTube account and click on your profile picture. A menu will appear. From the list of options, click on Your Data in YouTube. This will open your YouTube data page. Now, take a moment and scroll down until you find the YouTube Watch History section. Here, you'll be able to see that Watch History is currently turned off. To turn it back on, click the small arrow button next to the Watch History section. This will open the Watch History settings page. On this page, click the Turn On button. A confirmation pop-up will appear on your screen. Simply click Turn On once again to confirm your choice. And that's it. Your YouTube Watch History is now enabled. From this point forward, the videos you watch on YouTube will be saved to your watch history. This can help YouTube remember what you've watched, improve your video recommendations, and make it easier to find videos you've seen before. That's it for this video. Like, comment, share the video, and subscribe for more video updates.